In this video, Christian and I were able to slip away from the family activities over Memorial Day weekend to be able to get in a day of fishing before Tropical Storm Alberto came in and dumped all kinds of weather on us. Christian had installed a live bait tank on the back of his boat the day before and was anxious to test it out. So we arose early on this Saturday morning, headed to the bait shop, picked up some live shrimp and mud minnows, and headed over to the waters. The tide was high, the mullet was scattered, and it was difficult netting them, but Christian did a good job wearing himself out. They proved very useful later on in the video. You'll see. Here we go.
All right.
The wireless mic is picking up some radio interference. I have tried to minimize it as much as possible.
Got one, two. Nope, nope, nope.
Oh yeah. You need a reel in?
Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no. Caught myrtle.
Turn the camera off.
How am I going to get this jig head out of Myrtle the turtle?
I got the leader. It's official.
Fortunately for Myrtle and for us, the jig head was just barely caught in the front of her shell.
You want me to hold the leader? You want me to? Woohoo! That's a first. All right, we got a fish on. We got a fish on. Let's see what we got. What do we got?
Blue?
Yep, it's a blue. Whoa! Got ourselves a bluefish. All right, ready? Oh!
There you go, Granddaddy. There you go.
I don't want a bluefish.
You got it. Great work. You wanted to figure out what it was.
Now we know.
Not a huge one. You got it?
Yeah, I haven't got the hook out yet.
Okay, you want me to do it?
All right. There's a bluefish. He's about 16 inches long. There we go, bud.
Oh yeah, live free and prosper.
You ready? No, I'm just going to let...
That felt like a flounder right there.
Christian's favorite fish is a flounder, and we had just missed one a little bit earlier
Oh yeah, get the net.
because of a
Net.
miscommunication.
Get the net.
I'm getting the net.
Okay, I didn't think
At least
you were.
I'll call it that.
All right, ready?
Yep.
One who needed to reel that fish in.
Nice teamwork. I was like, I felt like a bomb.
Get him over. Get him over and down.
Yeah. Good eating right there.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Chill out. It's okay. Calm down. Yeah, hook out.
It is?
No.
I think you got a fish. All right, looks like Christian's hooked up here.
Grab the net. Red.
Got a red.
Net.
Net.
Yeah.
Where's the net? Right here. You still want to move? Hang on now, hang on. Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
Coming. There you go. Alright. Ocean red action for you, Grandpa.
There you go. That's pretty.
I don't think he's going to make the
17.
pretty heavy though. You passed me my hook out.
Got it. Got it.
That isn't too bad, isn't it?
No.
Too bad. Uh-oh, I got one on the big one. I got one on the big rod. On the big rod, taking out drag. That one reel yours in.
Alright.
Taking out drag, taking out drag. Not ahead, taking though.
You say there is? Where's the net?
Oh, he's not ready to net yet.
But where is it? Got it. Got it.
No rod holder. It's over by the rock.
Alright. Nice red. Alright.
Can you move that rod?
Yep.
I can move.
Shit.
Come
Come on,
on.
throw it.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Woo.
Damn. Alright. Tried to get out of that net, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. Stick.
Look, just below this red arrow that's going to appear, you'll see a tarpon roll on the surface. We were not aware they were in the area until later on in the day when Christian saw one rolled near the jetty rocks.
25. Got a keeper for you?
Yep.
I had a digital scale. I put it back in my bag. No, I'm not so sure.
Why can't I catch one of these big boys?
That's what I was after. That's what I was after. You gonna eat him?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them.
All right.
Keep them low, the boat coming.
All right, where's my GoPro?
Your GoPro,
Model.
it's right there. It's on.
Okay. Got a little red on it.
Another.
Trying to flag up. Oh, look at that tarpon roll right there. Big old tarpon.
What?
Right there, big old tarpon.
You are
man.
kidding me.
No, like 80 pounder.
Holy crap.
I got a tarpon rig ready to go. Oh, Pete, you got a big one on. Big one's gone, Jim. Big one's gone. It's under the on the motor.
All right. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Let me know.
It's a good sized fish.
All right, I'm bringing the mullet in to the right. Mullet in.
Good sized fish. You better get the net ready. And get them up. Making headway.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
I was making headway.
That's good. Good. Big later. Big later.
Big red, big red, big red.
Come this way,
Watch
come
that,
this way.
watch that leader. That weight. Hang on a second. I'll bring him back. I'll bring him back. I just a lot tighter. What? All right.
Holy crap, that's a big one.
Woohoo! Yeah. He's over slide, I believe. Yeah, he's over slide. Here we go. 28 inches. All right, bud.
We're arriving.
Time to let you go. Let's see, I'll do it on this side.
I'm a little bit surprised we didn't find anything. Red love mud minnows.
They love mud minnows. I got a fish on one. Nice fish. Come on, come on.
I don't know if you need a distance.
What is that, a little red?
Red or
No.
sheep's head.
No, 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 that's not a sheep's head.
Yeah. No, that's sheep's head. That's stuck. That's unstuck.
I think that's a black drum.
That's sheep's head. Oh, it's a drum. Puppy drum. Put that one in the box.
Yeah, man. All right,
Put 'em in the box.
keep him down, keep him down, keep him down.
Put 'em in the box.
There we go. There's a nice black drum. And might even hear him croaking a little bit. Come on, buddy, talk to me. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Going in the cooler.
Oh, got a hit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. Feels kind of like clown. Whoa! That's a good one. Good stuff.
What do you got there? Red.
Yeah.
Where's the net?
Got a blue tail. Check that tail out.
That way. I don't even know if he's gonna make slot.
Oh,
Huh?
I think he's a little flat. We got that, he's a river fish. Check out the color on that tail.
Uh-huh.
Oh. You want to check it? Very nice. Not gonna make it.
Boy, he is right on the money. Let him go. Let's let him go.
All right.
I'd rather not take the chance. Yep. Well, we're back. Had a successful day of fishing, long day of fishing. Reds, black drum, bluefish, flounder, sea bass, oyster toads, bluefish. Excellent day, good times. Person appreciate it.
All right, thanks, Nick.
All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Wishing everybody bent rods and tight lines.